Hello everyone, it's Esosa here. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Nigerian fried rice. Just so you know guys, I used basmati rice for this recipe. First, I'm going to parboil my turkey. I'll go ahead and add some seasoning cubes, some rosemary, some non-aromatic seasoning, some chicken seasoning, some dried parsley, some garlic granules, ginger powder, and some fried shallots seasoning, some salt, some chopped onions. I will stir that nicely. And allow to cook for 5 minutes before adding water. So after 5 to 10 minutes guys, I'll go ahead and add some water. Some bay leaves. After about 40 minutes guys, my turkey is now very soft. Next, I'll go ahead and fry the washed basmati rice. Guys, this method of cooking Nigerian fried rice is the best method ever in my opinion, because your Nigerian fried rice will never go bad if you try this method. Fry the washed rice for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add some chicken broth, some seasoning cubes, some salt, curry powder, some bay leaves. At this point, I'm going to cover the pot with a kitchen foil so that the heat will be trapped inside the rice. for about 15 minutes, guys. The rice is still very hard, hence I added a little bit of water. So after adding water, I cooked it for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, guys, my rice is not too hard, not too soft, just in between. So in another pot, I'll go ahead and add some vegetable oil, some chopped onions, some chopped garlic and ginger, minced bell peppers, some curry powder, some chopped scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning cubes, some salt, aromat seasoning, shrimps, I will add the cooked rice. Then add some chopped spring onions. As you can see, guys, the rice looks amazing, and trust me when I tell you it tasted amazing as well. Just look at that, guys. This is what I call correct Nigerian fried rice. Thanks, lovelies, for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And for those of you that subscribe to my channel, you are the best. Okay, thank you. Bye.